Quake, you are about to experience registers 5.3 on the Richter scale. Please remain seated at all times. Stand by.
I don't want to do it.
Sit now, Lena.
It'll be
2,
fun.
1.
Earthquakes have been the cause of devastation and reformation of our planet since it first existed. The Richter scale,
Hold it on,
developed by
Lena.
Charles F.
It's just
Richter in
gonna shake.
1955, is a system scientists use to measure the strength of an earthquake. The greater the magnitude,
You shake your booty all the
greater
time.
potential
My
destruction.
heart rate is up so high right now. This is so intense that we're about to experience an earthquake.
Is your hand still cold?
Yeah, absolutely. That's the water that Jack died in Titanic.
Well, and you pushed her up on
In
something.
1960, in Morocco, an earthquake of 5.9 killed over 10,000
Hold my
people.
lead.
You are about to experience an earthquake that registers 5.2.
This is only 5.3.
5.3.
You will
Experienced
feel a tremor,
8.5.
followed by a series of intense jolts.
Oh, so we're gonna feel a tremor and then intense jolts.
I don't want to do this.
This is considered moderate. Get ready and prepare for the quake again.
Oh my god.
Is this the tremor or the actual earthquake? All right.
Yeah.
How can somebody's house?
I don't
How can
know
somebody's
how
house be
anybody
wet?